Part 4 of Economic and Public Policy for Daily Current Affairs series is very important. We have discussed a lot of news in the 3 sections. Small videos were there, and we have already covered the news number 17 will be coming up in this lecture, and subsequently this will close for the entire day. So the first news is DPIIT has released a registration format for bidders from neighbors. Neighbors here means countries which share land borders with India. So they have, if they are interested in public procurement process, they can participate with it. And ministry, which is important, Commerce and Industry Ministry has come out with a registration format. So this will come up again. And moreover, on 23rd of July, government has mandated that any entity from countries sharing land border with India will be eligible to bid in any procurement process for goods and services. Again, for goods and services, only if it is registered with a competent authority, and this decision comes in the hindsight of border standoff with China. So this is very important relation, and this is going to play really this is going to decide what's going to happen in future. And moreover, one news is coming from genetic modified substances. FSSI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, has actually handed out an order inquiring a GM free certification for importing select food items, but the expert have an opinion that this won't affect much, as import of agriculture items in non-processed and seed form for commercial sale is relatively small in India. So again, GM is having a worldwide debate. Some find it interesting, some find it really harmful. So in this hindsight, the decision by FSSI assumes importance. So news will be, again, this importance is from dates perspective. Commercial mining land may come under 1957 Coal Act. So this is important. Commercial Mining Act, which of the act, they will list the act series, and that is 1957 Coal Act, which SBI has raised concerns on offtake commercial mine demand. So center is considering actually to allow land acquisition under Coal Bearings Areas Act 1957, that is Coal Bearings Area Act, that is 1957 Coal Act, in a bid to ease coal mining process in the upcoming commercial auctions, commercial coal auctions. So land center, it will help center acquiring land, giving then it lease to miners, which is corporate of course. Then stakeholder discussions commercial, it was held in FICCI, that is Federation of Indian Chambers and Commerce and Industry. So center could only assist the miners who need to persuade the state government for land acquisition. So this is going to be defining that how the corporates are going to benefit from this decision. Now another important news is NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, has filed in Pulwama charge sheet and named 19 DG IMD people, including Jaish Chief Mohammed Masood Azhar. So in a special court, and including Masood Azhar, the chief of the banned terrorist organization Jaish Mohammed, we carried to plan, and it was very unfortunate. It's sad that CRPF, our brave CRPF personnel, Jawans, Shaheed, they were martyred. They have 40 personnel in the South Kashmir in Pulwama in 2019, and they shook the entire country, and there was a massive anger on this. And the another news is that after Ambani, it's Adani's turn to dominate a complete try for dominance. Adani is already taking on the aviation sector, infrastructure. They've already acquired 6 airports in past. Then Kerala, it's controversial. Kerala government has gone to even High Court, where High Court refused. They have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi later, their chief minister. In Mumbai airport, I mean, it was already private. Now 74% has been given to Adani's. I'm sorry, I apologize. And moreover, 74%. So Adani's is already working high-fi in solar and power sector. They have already a stake in coal in Australia. So it's after Ambani, so it's Adani's turn. Again, it is Gujarat based. So how it is going to unfold in future, it will be really interesting. And we in all the 4 parts we have covered the entire economy for the day. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.